Hello, Catflix family. Are you ready to see cats acting completely silly today? These funny pets are doing the most ridiculous things and it is hilarious. Sit back and let the silly comedy begin.
Check it out, buddy. Most of the stuff still works fine.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Want a treat?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Hey, Lulu. Stop.
No.
So if he tells you anything fucking different, he's a liar and a fucking snake. Fuck you.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Oh, you okay, darling? It's okay.
Long live the king.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh. Oh my god. Sharkeisha. No. Come here. Come here.
Hey. See how I have it in the crook of my arm as I support it? That's how you're supposed to hold a baby? Nobody's mad.
Fred. Oh, hi.
Come on. Get out. Comes the boy. Hello, boy. Well.
makes me want to murder people.
If you are still watching these silly cats and laughing with us, drop a like and comment which cat is the silliest so far.
Oh my god. Wheeler!
No, I'm evil, kitty.
Said evil kitty.
Oh my god, what the hell? You nasty guy. Oh my
Hey, get out of my sandwich. No.
hair dryer? Oh my fuck!
Beautiful water feature. Smells like chlorine. Nice.
He's like,
Hey.
We can be a kiss.
you dumbass!
He says no. Get that crap away from me, man.
La madre que te parió. Ay, 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 ay.
Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Hello. Let's see a handstand. Damn straight. Beautiful girl. Oh no! Oh no!
Yo!
Stop. You did it.
Mama.
The Shark self-cleaning brush roll removes the hair wrap while I clean.
Shark.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Thank you for watching these silly cats until the very end. If their funny moments made you smile today, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to Catflix for more. See you in the next video.